Faye Rowland, author here, with some exciting news. I have just received a box. So yes, this is the classic unboxing video, and I genuinely haven't opened this yet, so let's just see what's in here. Now, I'm pretty sure I know what it is because, you know, it says Norwich Books on it and they're the people printing it. And this is a book done by the lovely publishers Darton, Longman, Todd. Bless their cotton socks. So a big shout out to my editor there, David Maloney. Hi, David. And a big shout out to my agent as well, Tony Collins. Hi, Tony, because you have been instrumental in getting this ready. So let us see what is in here. We open the box and we've got bits of cardboard, bits of paper, and yes, in here, look at all these lovelies. Look at these, my goodness. Bazillions of them. So this is my latest book. It's called 40 Days with Labyrinths, as you can see. Spiritual reflections with labyrinths, all hand-drawn original artwork which you can walk, kind of in inverted commas because obviously it's not big enough to really walk it, colour or decorate. So you can like walk them with a finger or pencils or things. So inside you'll see things like this, sort of hand-drawn labyrinths, and each one's got a very short Bible passage written out there in a variety of translations, some thoughts on it. So there's some thinking, and then on the next page we've got a responding, which is just a little kind of prayer. Very accessible language. We're not nothing highfalutin and posh here. And then a little bit of exploring further, if you want to go a bit more than that. And some suggestions for walking your labyrinth. And these are some things on the back that I've already coloured in. We've got a few kind of Zen tangle kind of things. Quite a few of them are tree style ones. I'm very fond of tree styles. In fact, there's a tree style one. And what else have we got? We've got some kind of Celtic-y ones. I love the kind of Celtic knot. Oh, there's another Zen tangle one on there. You've got 40 different ones on here. So some very modern ones as well. It's a very modern type of labyrinth. You won't have seen that design anywhere else, I don't think. So this is very suitable for Lent, obviously with it being 40 of them. But you can use them at any time. There's another lovely Celtic knot style labyrinth. So thoroughly recommend. If you pop along to the Darton Longman Todd website, you can get a discount. Haha! Type in the code Labyrinths, all in lowercase, just the word Labyrinths, spelt like that, to get a 35% discount at the DLT website. Otherwise, it's available, you know, your Waterstones, your Blackwells, Amazon, and all that kind of thing. Okay, so there it is. Go buy it in vast quantities.